Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best black eyebrow pencil is probably one of the most essential tools in any makeup kit, offering a simple yet powerful way to define and enhance your facial features, transforming your look from subtle to striking with just a few precise strokes. Whether you're aiming for a natural, everyday appearance or a bold, dramatic statement, the right black eyebrow pencil can be your secret weapon for achieving perfectly sculpted brows that frame your face and elevate your entire makeup game, making it an indispensable item for beauty enthusiasts everywhere. Number 5. Revlon ColorStay Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil. Experience rich color that looks freshly applied all day long. It's transfer-proof, waterproof, smudge-proof, and fade-proof for a flawless look. Achieve the look you desire with incredible staying power. It stays on strong, so you don't have to worry about touch-ups. This liner glides on smoothly, creating intensely defined lines. You can easily go from a subtle look to a dramatic statement. Achieve the perfect pointed tip every time with the built-in sharpener. Plus, use the included smudger to blend for a softer effect. Choose from 12 totally wearable shades, available in both matte and shimmer finishes. Find the perfect hue to match any look. It's ophthalmologist tested and suitable for use on your waterline. Enjoy comfortable wear throughout the day. What we like. This eyeliner offers incredible longevity, staying put through anything. If you need a reliable liner that won't budge from morning to night, this is your go-to. It's perfect for long days or humid weather. What people say. The waterproof, smudge-proof formula really lives up to its name. It didn't budge through a long day, heat, or humidity. It goes on super smoothly, the color is bold and rich, I always get the 201 black, and most importantly, it actually stays put all day. No smudging, no raccoon eyes, even when it's hot or humid outside. It's a good color, not too dull or not too bright. It blended easily, I like a muted line on top and bottom. The durability is nice, not sticky, but nice staying power. Number 4. Revlon ColorStay Eyebrow Pencil. Achieve perfectly defined brows that last all day. This waterproof pencil resists smudging and fading for up to 24 hours of wear. The unique slanted tip allows for effortless application and smooth, controlled strokes. Get natural-looking brows without any sharpening needed. Easily create hair-like strokes to achieve fuller, naturally beautiful brows. The buildable color lets you customize your look. The integrated spoolie brush seamlessly blends the color for a soft, polished finish. It also helps to smooth and soften your brows. This shade offers a light slate black with a neutral undertone. It provides a natural matte finish for a flawless look. What we like. Achieve effortlessly natural-looking brows with its unique angled tip. If you desire brows that look fuller and perfectly shaped without any fuss, this is the ideal choice. It's great for quick touch-ups and everyday wear. What people say. The ColorStay Eyebrow Pencil lives up to its name. It does stay on all day, doesn't smudge, and looks fairly natural. It is self-sharpening, and it has softer texture that glides on. Goes on smooth like butter, love the color, and it doesn't fade or budge. Number 3. LAVONE Eyebrow Stamp Pencil Kit, Ash Black. Tired of spending too much time on your eyebrows? Achieve perfectly shaped brows quickly and easily with this innovative kit. It's designed for speed and precision. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for flawless brows. It includes a waterproof pencil, eyeliner, pomade, and a dual-ended brush. Get salon-quality results at home. Don't worry about smudging or fading throughout the day. Our formula is waterproof, ensuring your eyebrows stay perfectly in place from morning to night. Enjoy confidence that lasts. This shade is specifically formulated for those with ash black hair, providing a natural and seamless blend. It enhances your features without looking unnatural. Get the perfect match for your hair color. Whether you're a makeup novice or a pro, you'll love how simple it is to use. The stamp design ensures symmetry and ease, making brow perfection accessible to everyone. Get ready to love your brows. What we like. This comprehensive kit allows for quick and flawless brow creation, even for beginners. If you struggle with achieving symmetrical brows or want a complete solution in one package, this is perfect for you. It's ideal for those who want professional-looking brows in minutes. What people say. It lasts all day without needing to retouch, at least in my experience. You only need the tiniest amount, it dries quickly, and it stays in place all day. It definitely sticks well to the skin. The color matches my hair so perfectly that you can't tell I colored them in, which is the look I want, eyebrows but now clownish. This eyebrow pomade is fantastic. You need the tiniest amount, it dries quickly and lasts all day and even until the next morning. Even if your eyebrows are sparse, this will stick to your skin. Number 2. LAVONE Makeup Kit, Eyebrow and Eyeliner. Tired of struggling with your brows? This all-in-one kit helps you instantly outline, define, and fill them in for flawless, symmetrical results. Achieve perfect brows in just 1 minute, every time. Our ultra-skinny pencil is designed for precision. It coats even the finest hairs with color, allowing you to easily create natural-looking brows. Define and fill sparse areas with ease for a beautifully sculpted look. Experience long-lasting wear that's smudge-proof and waterproof. Your brows will stay perfectly in place throughout the day, no matter what. Enjoy confidence that lasts from morning to night. The flexible, ultra-precise liquid eyeliner tip makes application a breeze. Create fine, natural lines or bold, dramatic looks with complete control. Achieve a defined finish that lasts all day. Our highly pigmented formula ensures your makeup stays put. It's waterproof and smudge-proof, making it perfect for active days, warmer weather, or even swimming. Enjoy makeup that keeps up with your lifestyle. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: a brow pencil, liquid eyeliner, brow powder, and a dual-ended brush. It all comes in a convenient pouch, perfect for touch-ups on the go. What we like? Its ultra-slim retractable tip allows for incredibly precise application, mimicking natural brow hairs. If you're looking to fill in sparse areas with fine, natural-looking strokes, this pencil is an excellent option. It's perfect for detailed shaping and defining. What people say? It lasts all day without needing to retouch, at least in my experience. You only need the tiniest amount, it dries quickly, and it stays in place all day. The color matches my hair so perfectly that you can't tell I colored them in, which is the look I want, eyebrows but now clownish. Number 1. 12 PCS Black Eyebrow Pencil Eyeliner Set. Introducing our new eyebrow pencil and eyeliner set. Achieve a flawless look with ease, perfect for your daily routine. Don't worry about smudging or fading. This set is designed to be waterproof and long-lasting, keeping your makeup perfect all day. Experience rich, easy-to-apply color with every stroke. These pencils glide on smoothly for a natural or bold finish. Elevate your eye makeup game with this professional-grade set. It's perfect for creating any look you desire. This versatile set is a must-have for any makeup collection. It provides everything you need for stunning eyes. With 12 pencils in each set, you have endless possibilities to experiment and express your style. What we like? This value pack offers an abundance of black eyebrow pencils for extended use. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution with multiple pencils that are easy to use and long-lasting, this set is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for makeup artists or anyone who uses brow pencils frequently. What people say? The fine tip allows for precise application, creating natural-looking strokes. It's smudge-proof and long-lasting, staying put throughout the day without fading. The built-in spoolie brush is great for blending and grooming the brows for a polished finish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.